Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set up lock screen password on vivo mobile. Friends, you want to set up lock screen password on vivo mobile, so friends, how to set up in this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So first of all friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your vivo mobile. Friends, click on vivo mobile security setting. Then friends, click on screen lock setting and select your pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will select pattern lock, and friends draw 4 dots pattern. If you use 3 dot friends, you cannot set pattern lock. So with this pattern I will draw. Next, confirm. Friends, done option, back button use, and friends lock your screen. And friends, you want to unlock your vivo mobile, so when you will have to draw pattern, then friends you can unlock your vivo phone and you can use it. So like that friends, you can set your lock screen password on your vivo mobile. And friends, you want to change your vivo phone lock screen password. So friends, how to change the lock screen password? Open your phone setting again, security setting, screen lock, and draw your device pattern. And guys, now I will change my lock screen password pattern to pin. I will use guys 1 2 3 4, and guys don't do any mistake, be careful here, because guys there is no any option to check our pin. Confirm, come back. Friends, lock your screen, and friends you want to unlock your vivo mobile. So friends, you can see pattern lock will remove and we have 4-digit password. So we will enter our 4-digit password, then we can unlock our vivo mobile. So like that guys, you can set and you can change your vivo phone lock screen password. So I hope friends you understood how to set and change lock screen password. And friends, you don't want to use any password on your vivo mobile, so friends click on vivo mobile security setting, screen lock setting, and enter your password friends. And friends, you don't want to use any password, so click on swipe option. Friends, you can see device protection feature will not work without your pin, remove option, and your screen lock will remove. And friends, you cannot use your vivo mobile screen lock password. Friends, you can see we cannot use screen lock password. We can swipe, we can unlock our vivo mobile without any pin, pattern and password. So like that friends, you can remove your lock screen password on your vivo mobile, and you can set up your lock screen password, you can change, you can remove. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video, bye bye friends.